Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use surface feature. And today I will show you how to use trim surface and untrim surface. But before that, let's take a look this first. If you mechanical engineering student or people who like make a project and you want to use my 3D concept, you can buy my concept. Use this link. Go to my bio, click this link. Click link ID Dream Nest. See? Now click this machine. With 150,000 rupiah, you will get 3D CAD machine, Pro Solid file, 2D drawing, and you can modify the 3D and 2D CAD data use Solidworks 23T. What are you waiting for? Come on and buy it now. Now we have a surface part like this. Active trim surface. Now you have two parameters. In trim tool parameter, click this surface. And now you can choose keep selection or remove selection. I choose remove selection and click this face. After that and click OK. See? Or you can do like this. Show this sketch. Now go to trim surface again. In trim tool parameter, click this sketch. And for this parameter, click this surface. See? You can choose the face what do you want to remove. Click this and this. And click OK. See? Now we use untrim surface. Click untrim surface. Click this part and click OK. See? See? Now you know how to use trim surface and untrim surface. Thanks for watching. See ya!